Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my local woodland, and today I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to do a DJI Action 2 POV stabilisation test. I'm going to use the standard Pendant with the camera on its own and my dual screen module, and then I'm also going to use a GoPro Chesty just to see how they differ. So let's get into it. So having looked at the footage myself, I think I've concluded, yeah, definitely the Chesty is the best stabilisation method. Apologies for the angle of the cycling bit, obviously it was pointing down, but I think you can definitely see from the tests that the Chesty with the single camera or both, either your power combo or like me, the dual screen attached, it's definitely the best option. If you are set on just using the Pendant alone, then you really need to just use the single camera. Obviously the dual camera, it's very, very shaky. With running, you saw it fell off almost instantly to the ground. Cycling, not bad, actually, for the dual Pendant, not bad. But for walking, running, anything where I guess you're impacting the ground, so if you're walking, trekking, anything like that, where you're actually physically like impacting the ground, then the dual screen is a no-go. You need to just use the single camera. So hopefully that was an informative test for you guys. Hopefully it helps you with picking the camera or not. I know for me personally, really I only wanted to use the Pendant, but it seems as though it's not possible with this camera, especially if you want to use an external microphone, which I do. That way you need to use the dual screen, so because you need the USB-C to create an adapter. But yeah, hopefully you found it informative. If there's anything else you'd like to know on this camera, I've got another video coming up actually on the Action 2. It's basically going to be my final video on it, so take from that what you want. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, plenty of stuff coming. Hope you guys have a great day, great week, and I'll catch you in the next one.